What's up, guys? Today I want to bring you a little something dope, a little something fun. So pretty much I will be unboxing and trying on some rings. So let's get into it. So the unboxing today is sponsored by the Etsy shop Whiteshaw. They have amazing and beautiful jewelry pieces. So if you love to shop for jewelry, you love to up your collection, I will definitely be leaving their links down below so you can check them out. The first ring that I got is this beautiful pearl one. And it has such amazing little details on the side. I wish my camera would focus for me. My camera wouldn't focus, so I will have it up on the screen. But what I feel really like about this ring is all the little details that it has on the side, and it kind of gives like this elven look. And I got mine in the size 6, and it ended up fitting me perfectly. The next ring I got is actually super huge, and I feel like this is more of a manly ring, but nevertheless, it's still pretty. Look at all the diamonds that are in here. And it has kind of like a marine blue, kind of like turquoise little diamonds in there, and then a bunch of other little diamonds all around. And the details in these rings are so pretty, like even on the sides. But again, my camera is not focusing, so I will be having pictures up on the screen. And of course, this is also in a size 6. Last but not least, actually, I really thought the elven ring was going to be my favorite one, but I found another one. And of course, now my cat decides that she wants to play with my makeup while I'm filming, as usual. Okay, let's move on. So I got this beautiful, it looks like an emerald type of ring, but of course information will be, posted up. I love the little flowers that are on it. It's like little diamond flowers, and then like the stone is like this emerald like green, and it just like the details, it's the details. Now I usually don't like gold, but this gold looks a little bit different than the regular gold jewelry that I usually see. So I actually really, oh, and there's like this little space in between. Oh man, like it's so pretty. I'm going to put it on now. And of course it also fits. I got all of these rings in a size 6, and they all came out so beautiful. Now again, this one I'm probably going to be using in some sort of cosplay. This is definitely not something I would be wearing every single day, but as far as the other two, they're definitely going to be worn very often. So thank you for sending these to me. If you actually like this jewelry and you're going to check them out, of course let your girl know in the comments what piece are you going to get. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you could be notified the next time I post something dope. See you in the next one. Peace. Oh, by the way, it's montage time.